everyone, welcome to TechTraps. My name is Vishal, and again we are continuing with our episodes of unboxing series. So without any further delay, let's go for it. So guys, the product that we have for you today is a Tecno brand Camon 18. This is a camera-centric phone from Tecno brand, which gives you 48 megapixel front and 48 megapixel, let's say triple camera, 48 megapixel rear. And in this segment, this is one of the best. What we're going to do is we're going to open this box, see what's inside, and also share some of the specification with you. So let's go. So guys, here we are, just about to unbox this new phone from Tecno. But before I do that, I just want to show you guys how it looks from outside and rear. For example, we have a Tecno brand sign here, and they have neatly written Camon, which is their camera-centric series. Out here, as you can see, it is written TWS earbuds, which is a free gift with this phone of Rs14999. However, I don't know whether this earbud is included inside the box or it's given separately. We'll just wait and see as how it unfolds. If I look at the rear of the cover, on the top end you will see all the specifications of this phone, its capabilities, and towards the downside you'll see the manufacturer's information. So without any further ado, let's start the unpacking. And let's see what we have inside. The first look over the phone, it's big. It's 6.8 inches, so it's big. It looks good. With time, I'll be telling you all the features one by one. So, but first, let's see what we have here. So, phone, and then let's unbox the remaining accessories. And like they have mentioned in outside the box, a free gift of earbud cost worth Rs1,999. I think they will be providing you that separately when you will purchase the product. So here you are. This is all what you will be getting inside the phone. And so let's see what we have for the phone. Let's talk about its features. Let's switch on the phone and see and move ahead. Alright, so now let's switch it on. I always get very excited when I switch on a phone for the first time. So when I will be talking with you about the specifications of this phone, you will be amazed with some of the features, and I'm very excited to tell you. So first, let me just set up the phone. So I've just set up the phone, and I'm looking at the phone. The touch screen looks good enough. It's good. I like the touch screen. It has a multiple touchscreen features, so absolutely it's looking good. It has all the necessary applications pre-installed. So mostly all the phones these days, they come with pre-installed Google services and applications like Facebook, so that you don't have to download again. So let's talk about the phone, and the first thing I want to talk about is the display. Alright, this phone is 6.8 inches. That's roughly around 17.27 centimeters, and so it's fairly big. It has a full HD display. It has a 500 nits of brightness, which is needed, and its expected ratio is 20:59 screen expected ratio. Alright, the most important thing about this phone. So, it's a camera-centric phone. The front camera is giving you 48 megapixel AI selfie camera. So, and it has an aperture of around 2.2 dual flash. So, again, it's a 48 megapixel front camera. So you can see that Tecno is saying that you can take amazing selfies from the front camera itself. And when I talk about the rear, it has a triple camera system. Alright, and it is also 48 megapixel with 2 MP AI lessons. That is a triple camera. It has a aperture of about 1.79 dual flash. Camon series, this is camera series, and what Tecno is trying to do is that trying to bring in the best photography or filmmaking specifications into the segment of around 15,000. There is one thing that I want to show you about this phone. Like I have mentioned, it has all the features. Since it's a camera-centric phone, there are a few things that I want to show you about this phone, which I really like. So let me use the brightness. Alright. The touchscreen is very good. Now, when I go to my camera and I open, you'll see a lot of features in the camera. It has a video, film, artificial camera, beauty, portrait, super night, all the options that I have mentioned. Here especially I like the AR shot, which is very fun. I had a very much fun. Also it has Ultra HD, it has slow motion, your panorama, time lapse, and all the features that is required for you to make amazing photographs and movies. So there is a feature of AR shot. Now AR shot is nothing but what it does is that it replaces the face. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but it does replaces the face into a character, and the artificial response is so nice that even when I'm blinking my eye or I'm making any kind of movement, the phone is capturing it marvelously. It's fun. It's very fun for people, and a very good technology. I'm sure you will like it. The camera features a display with 90.52% screen to body ratio and a 17.27 centimeters dot-in display for bigger and better viewing experience. So of course, when I look at the phone, as it's camera centric, I can see that it is fairly big, huge, and amazing for people who are into photography and video shooting. The next what I want to talk about is the memory specifications. And before I go into the RAM and the ROM, I would like to tell you that this phone has a memory fusion up to 7 GB RAM. What do I mean by that? That this smartphone is assisted by a 4 GB RAM and a 128 GB ROM, which is your internal storage space. And in addition to this, it also flaunts a virtual memory expansion that is up to 3 GB. As far as I talk about the battery, it has a high capacity of 5000 mAh with 18 watt of fast charger. So the Canon 18 equipped with 5000 mAh battery, powerful battery. Like I mentioned, is an 18 watt Type C flash charger. So again, Type C flash charger. It provides a standby time of 32 days. That's what the brand is guaranteeing you. With a call time of about 37 hours, video playback about 24 hours, and a music playback of about 163 hours. That's pretty impressive. So other features about sounds and SoPlay. So it has an enhanced audio experience with a DTS sound, digital sound, and SoPlay 2.0. This smartphone comes loaded with exciting audio features. The phone comes with a processor that is the MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core, which is of 2.0 GHz of CPU, and it has all the major sensors. It has an accelerometer, it has an ambient light, distance, side fingerprint sensor, and so on. It has 3 slots, that's including the SD card. The other is a dual 4G nano SIM. When I talk about connectivity, the phone supports 4G, 3G, 2G, all GSMs, and WCA-DMA. It does not support 5Gs. When I talk about the color, this is very important. This phone has been launched in 2 colors. One is iris purple and the other is dusk gray. And this particular phone is dusk gray and it looks amazing. I like the look. It's very professional. Okay, so going through the phone, unboxing it, knowing what's there, knowing all the specifications, and finally when I'm handling the phone, it does look good. The screen size, like I mentioned, is good. The body, the color, and more importantly, as Tecno brand has mentioned, that this phone is pretty much a professional phone for people who likes photography, videography. It has all the features. The most important part of the phone is the pricing. Like I mentioned, Tecno makes sure that the generation we have here, they need specifications but up to a certain budget. So this phone is just for 14,999. It's going to be launched pan-India from 27th of December 2021. And what I would recommend for you guys is that photography, videography, going with the specification, tough phone, big size, this is perfect for you. And in this price range, it cannot be better than this. So I hope you like what we are doing with unboxing and trying to give you all the information and help you in order for you to choose the right phone or product. We'll keep coming with new products which will definitely help you to make the purchases. If you have any questions you want to comment, please leave that on the comment. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like, give us notifications. It will motivate us to bring more products and help you out. So, till next time, this is Vishal saying goodbye and thank you for watching.